Class is over. Why don't you want to go home?
I feel sad. I let someone down today.
You can tell me about it.
Okay. I was the only witness to an accident in front of my house, but I couldn't do anything to help the victims. I called for help, but it was too late by the time the paramedics arrived. I wish I had a little knowledge about first aid. I would have saved a life.
Don't be too hard on yourself. I will tell you a few tips today that will help you next time. I will give you some easy golden rules of first aid. 1. Don't forget the 3 Ps. These are: preserve life, prevent further injury, and promote recovery. All your actions should be based on these principles. 2. Check the scene for danger. Before you provide help to an injured person, it's important that you check the scene for danger. You don't want to get yourself injured while trying to help. Number 3. Decide if you or the injured person needs medical aid. Ask for advice if not sure. 4. Reassure the injured person. If they are severely injured and under shock, keep them warm. Stay with the injured person, keep them comfortable, and don't move them if you suspect an injury to the spinal cord. Call for medical help in that case. 5. Tell the medical experts as much information about the accident and symptoms as you can. Also, if you know about allergies or blood group or vaccinations or medical condition of the person. Information sharing saves lives. 6. Group of commas. Wash your hands before you apply first aid and wear disposable gloves to protect yourself and to prevent infections. 7. Prevent blood loss. Blood is a vital component of our bodies. When someone is bleeding, you want to prevent as much blood as possible from leaving the body. Do this by getting a clean cloth or bandage, then apply gentle pressure for 20 to 30 minutes. 8. Clean the wound carefully, wiping away any dirt and grit. Use a clean cotton cloth with a disinfectant or rinse with cold water, then pat area dry before applying a clean dressing. Do not remove embedded objects, leave that to a competent medical staff. Finally, keep your first aid supplies up to date. Do not forget to replace any items you use from your first aid kit and check expiry dates regularly.
Thank you so much, Ma. I feel much better knowing that I can be of help to humanity now than before. I appreciate the knowledge.